Well, tonight we're going to be looking at how you stay on top of your game, how you stay ahead of the competition and sustain it through relaunch and reinvention.
I think launch is a slightly wizardy thing, isn't it? It's difficult. You've got to have a black cloak and kind of really know what you're doing. And if you do get it right, it can achieve a huge amount for the business.
Launch, you're probably going from nothing to something. Be in that state where the risks are going down rather than up. And then the more radical the relaunch, the risks are higher.
There's no formula to relaunching, launching, and it was really interesting, obviously, to hear that how many businesses fail in the first and second year.
So it's about the what ifs and figuring out the solutions of things that we couldn't control before they even happened.
I think again that kind of principle of the kind of launching in different markets, remaining true to the principles of the brand and having a clear vision over a long period of time. I think what's really important is consistency, continuity to what you're doing.
Trying to find new ways of kind of like approaching things. Otherwise, if you rest on your laurels, you end up failing.
You get left behind.
Yeah.
A market-leading brand that has to, it can't sit still, otherwise, guess what? It soon won't be that. So it's energy to commit to move forward and to keep on rejuvenating itself.
I think my key takeaway was that point that Hannah made about communication. I really value that as a key skill, and communicating with your team or with your clients or with your agencies is just so important in the industry that we're in.
Very informative evening. The speakers were fantastic.